Hi, it's Eamon here from Helvetic. Just to show you how to set up the Q7RF. This is the thermostat and time clock built into one. It's just a quick video. People forget, they might set it up day one, they might leave it for the summer and then go back to it at the winter. And maybe they want to change the programs and they forget how to do so. So this is just a short video to show you how to do that. The first thing I'll show you is how to set the time. Okay, so what we do is we'll always press the set button and it'll go back to the default screen. So I suppose let me just first of all show you the screen and what it's made up of. The first one here is the day of the week, so it's currently Thursday. And then we have the time down here. There are 6 different programs that you can program up each day, of which it's currently on program number 3. This is the set program temperature that we have preset on the controller, and this is the current room temperature. So it's nice and warm in here. We're inside in the room. It's 20.2 degrees, and this is the battery indicator light. So it'll tell you where the batteries haven't been changed in this, and I'd say around 12 months. So the next thing we'll do is we'll go in and we shall set the day and the time. So if you click the day button once, Thursday will flash. To change to Thursday, Friday or Saturday, whatever day you want, you press the plus or minus. And then once you select your day, after hitting plus or minus, you hit the day button again. And now you see what happened. If you leave it too long, it'll go back to the default screen, so you kind of have to be quick. So we'll hit the day button, and we'll hit the day button again, and the hours start to flash. So by hitting plus or minus again, you can change the hour, and then hit the day button again. So yes, and the hour will flash. So you can hit plus or minus again to change the hour. So it's 24-hour clock, and you've no other option but to use the 24-hour clock. So you'll see after 10-15 seconds it'll go back to the default screen. So that's fine. The next thing we're going to show you is how to override the thermostat, or sorry, the program, and just use it manually. Some people like to use that. They like to come into the room, turn on the heating by hitting plus, and then when they leave, press minus. So how to do this is, again, always just use the set to go back to the default screen, hit the set button, and then just hit the hold button, click it once, and you'll see a key appears on the screen. That means that you're after overriding the program in the controller. So now, for example, if I want to turn on the panel, I just hit the plus button and bring it up to see the flame after clicking on. So on the receiver box you should see the red light clicking on. So for example, I've set it at 22. So once it reaches 22, that flame will disappear, and the panels will turn itself off. If the temperature drops under 22, as it is now, the flame indicator will come on, telling you that your panel is on. So after 20 minutes, that'll get up to 22 degrees and knock itself off again. So to take off that override function, you just hit the set button. Now watch when I hit the set button, it'll go back to program mode, it'll drop back to 18 degrees, and it'll drop back to program 3. So the next part is probably the most shall we say complicated part of the controller, is to set up the program. But let me show you on another video how to do that, because we've gone on long enough. So for more information, check out our website helvetic.ie. Thank you.